I would like to tell the public that cough syrups are not recommended to treat pneumonia. For every child who has cough, it is recommended that they seek medical attention. Why we do not advise them to use cough syrups is basically because most of the cough syrups have cough suppressants, and in the event that the child has chest congestion, it will worsen the situation and it can even lead to death. So because of that, we kindly ask everyone with a child who has a cough to seek medical attention and make sure they are getting the right treatment for the cough. We wouldn't advise any caregiver to seek over-the-counter prescription, especially for children with cough.